Oh, the other side. Excellent.
Way, Peter in action. This is your handiwork here, Peter.
Pardon?
This is your handiwork here.
Yes.
Very impressive, it is too.
Oh, you want me to guys on the other
Yeah, let's see muscles. Whoa! There we go.
side? What's on there?
Nothing. Oh yes.
You want some videos of that?
Now you're talking. I'm videoing this here.
Hi.
Excellent.
Aren't you going to walk through your door?
Hello. This is a domestic going on here now. And here's Carl. Carl's doing.
Some money, doing the careful flying.
Carl's taking some careful stuff over there. Yeah. And oh, there's one. All right. This is a video.
It's so dusty here.
Very dusty.
It's disgusting.
All right,
I'm not even going to bother to have a shower when I get home. You'd be amazed when you get in bed, and then you wake up in the morning, all the dirt's gone.
And you wonder why Reese's brown.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Well,
it's not.
I was covered in mud. I'd go to bed, and then in the morning I wake up and there's no mud.
It's a fake tan, but not as we know it. All right.